sweetie, let's make tortilla wrap. Over here we have all-purpose flour. So this contains 3 cups. Leave a little bit of it like this. Here we are going to be adding yeast. This is good to go. Salt. So I'm needing oil. So mix that together. So here you are going to be needing warm water. Just dip your hand, don't allow the water to hurt you. Like this one is good to go. So just be adding the water bit by bit. So now I'm going to be adding a little bit. Just put it in my hand. So this one is good to go. So now mix. So sweetie, now the dough is ready. Look at that. So here you are going to be kneading the dough. Adding oil. So bring out the dough back over here. So just cover the dough and keep it aside. So sweetie, just 10 minutes later. So you're going to be taking the dough like this. Just fold everything into a little ball shape. So this size is good to go. So do the rest. Now I have all of them. Just take it back to the bowl. Keep this one aside. Add in the flour, the walls of this like this. Then take one of it. So I'm going to be kneading your roller. Then roll that. Add that in a heat like this. Put it on the low. So take this, add it over here. While this is there, you take this one again, then keep rolling it. So sweetie, now we are going to turn it. So sweetie, now it's ready. You can see that. So take it direct to here. So here we have the rest. Just put it on top of it like this. Then the same time cover it with your kitchen towel. Then add in this plate on top of it. So this one is still ready. Then add in this one. So take this one back here. So sweetie, here we have all the tortilla. Look at that. So beautiful. So what you are going to do next, keep like this. take something like this as a round plate. So use it to cut it around like this. Just cut it around. And you are going to be having this gorgeous. Look at that. So sweetie, here you have your tortilla. Look at that. This is so beautiful. Look at that. You can squeeze it, guys. Look, it's not going to tear. Look at that. So sweetie, you can use this to make any shawarma of your choice. It's not going to tear, and you're going to eat as if what is happening here. All you need to do is to share. So perfect. You can use this tortilla to make any shawarma of your choice. Anytime you're going to be using tortilla for any recipe, just get this done. By following this process, you're going to have your tortilla easy and simple. And to save this, guys, just take it back to this. Just cover it like this. You can keep it anywhere, even here. You can keep it. You can as well keep it in fridge if you want, and it's going to last as long as you want. Don't forget to share because I love you in my next one. Bye.